Today I'm taking my bike over to Cozumel and I'm going to spend the day at Bucanos. I think that's how you say it. So let's go. Something tells me I'm not going to make this 8 a.m. ferry, but I'm going to go try. It leaves in 7 minutes. I don't think I'm going to make it. Definitely missed the 8 o'clock one. Nothing like a early morning bike ride to really get the blood flowing. The good news is that the next one is at 8:30, and just like people say online, you shouldn't book a round trip ticket because there are 3 different companies who operate the ferry, and it's better for you if you can just hop on the next one rather than wait for the company that you booked with. So I'm in line to buy my ticket, and I'll show you guys the process of getting on the ferry with this bike. Hola, buenos días. Uno turista boleto, sencillo. Sencillo. That is sarcasm, guys. Oh, there was a guy, you could see him. He was walking up with his cart right there. So I'm gonna assume that I wait right here too. All right, she's calling us, y'all. Hola. Hola, buenos días. Gracias. Gracias. Sometimes you have to watch other people so you can know what to do. I should sit on. Okay, let's see. I feel like that side makes, I don't know actually. I don't remember. It's air conditioning in here too. Hey, nice. The US could never. The Staten Island ferry, are you kidding me? The Staten Island ferry could never. Look at how nice this is. Ciao. The propaganda. Okay, I'm sitting on this side, on the left side. We'll see if that's a good side to sit on once we get closer. Just realized that I have not been on a boat in an ocean in a minute, and I forgot how it feels. This might be worse than flying for me, and I can swim. Because in New York, when we take the ferry, it's across a little river, which is disgusting. But I just realized I don't like this feeling. Okay, it's speeding up. Thank God. It was just floating for a minute, and I was like, oh, I don't like that. Let me pay attention to this life jacket video. All right, I can see the island, so I could maybe swim to shore if I needed to. I'm just kidding. I can't swim that far. That would be so far. Oh my God. You can sit on either side of this boat or ferry, and you can see the island from both sides. So don't fret too much on which side to sit on. Oh my God, there are roosters in there. Did y'all hear that? We made it. I'm going to figure out which direction. I think I go left. But I'm gonna find coffee first. Isla Cozumel. Cozumel, maybe. Already got my bike. I'm a professional. Look how clear the water is. What? This is unreal. You could see the bottom. That is unreal. Wow. Paradise. Con permiso. Con permiso. Con permiso. Gracias. Okay. I kind of feel like I should go towards the place I'm going instead of staying right here by the ferry terminal. So we're gonna put you away for a sec. Yeah, so it's actually only 9:13. So, and the place I'm going to doesn't open until 10. So I think I'm just gonna ride until I find a coffee shop and sit there, have some breakfast, like a quick little bite, and then probably just chill out around that place until they open. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just asked my friend that was standing behind me, remember I helped her with her luggage, where the best coffee was. She said, go towards Pizza Hut, and there's like a Thirsty Cougar or something like that. And then they make, it's just called coffee. And she said they make the best postres in chilaquiles. Okay, she said they make the best chilaquiles, and she said the best coffee, so let's see. Wow, look at that pie. Sheesh. Okay, that really is a good pie, y'all. And you know I'm a pastry chef. They made that this morning. I'm gonna have to come back and get the vanilla cake. My friend's here. I'm gonna come back and get the vanilla cake later. That was so good, y'all. There are no other cyclists out here, and to that I feel like most people would say don't do this, but it's okay so far. Spoke too soon. A lady just passed me biking.
Turn left.
2 minutes out and I'm finally going downhill. It is not all flat. There are some inclines. I didn't have to stop, but there are some inclines.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left. Turn left.
Hola.
Hola, good morning.
Good morning. Buenos Buenos días. Gracias. I'm sweating already. Hola.
Hola amiga, how are you?
Mauricio?
Sí,
Oh, okay.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Ozzy.
Awesome, okay, how are you?
Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's very pretty.
We went and had a glass of wine at the wine bar with the evening post behind you, and then picked up pizzas, went over to Rick and Vicky's, and planned our
So I want right here, or over there, or right here. I think right here. This is a good one. Not very crowded. Oh my god, look at that water. My god. WTF. Holy shit. Oh, okay, I'm going to get changed. I can barely see out of my glasses because of all the sweat, but I just unpacked a few things so I can reserve my chair while I go cool down. I'll probably take like a quick little cool shower and then put on my swimsuit. Let's go. Look at this view. Oh, amazing. Want to get in?
Yes,
Okay.
here.
Diles que me dejen.
It's over
Diles
here.
que me dejen.
Right here?
Al menos. ¡Déjense, Satanás! ¡Ah, la bestia!
Black girl joy. We was never lacking joy though. We ain't never been lacking it. I'm heading out soon, but I want to give you guys an honest review while I'm still here. Out of 10, I would give Bucanos probably an 8.5. I love the beach. I love being able to see the fish. I just literally swam with the fishes. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of that, but you have to just trust my word and come here yourself. You'll see. There is beachside service, although it is a little spotty. I wouldn't say they're the most attentive, but they're busy. I think you'll probably get better service if you go and eat at the restaurant. It's pretty affordable. The entry fee was 20 or 25, and I would say that's pretty affordable given that it goes to your bill. There is tons of seating here, but if you want the best seats, you should probably come early like I did. If you are mobilely impaired, this probably isn't a good place to come and swim if you're planning to get in the water, because there's quite a bit of rocks no matter where you enter the beach that you have to get over before you get to a part that's deep enough to swim in. Or I guess you can jump off of this thing over here. I was kind of scared to do that. I just don't know how deep it is, and it looked like there was rocks right there, but I don't know. You never know how deep stuff is. Also, the Wi-Fi only works at the restaurant, so I mean, you're on vacation, who cares? But if you wanted to keep it, I'm a solo traveler, so if I wanted to keep in touch with my family while I'm here, it's been pretty non-existent unless I walk over there. And then lastly, I would say changing rooms. They don't have any changing rooms. You just have to change in a bathroom stall, and they don't have any showers. So overall, I've had a beautiful day here in Cozumel, and I cannot wait to come back. So much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next adventure.